Entelechy-5KWh Powerwall battery has unique appearance design. Available in vertical and wall-mounted styles. Smart BMS board safer and more compatible. Can adapt to different solar inverters. Use the color LED screen. Use brand new grade A lithium iron phosphate battery, more than 6,000 cycles. Built-in Bluetooth function, allowing viewing of battery status through the mobile phone app. Semi-automated high-standard production line ensures stable quality and superior performance of Powerwall. Entelechy, power your life with green energy.